boxes to go through. This one looks suspect. Whoa, this looks heavy. Oh, ooh. Is it? Is it? Come on. Be something. A trunk. What is in there? Ooh. All right, it is first thing in the morning. We are here. We have a massive load. Where are we at? Oh, look, good job. You did a good job with that one piece, Uncle Michael. I don't know how you do this. I don't know. You're outdoing yourself. We're just getting... I can't even tell you how much more we have to go. We still got a good 3-4 feet in the trailer. It's like never ending, this trailer seems to be. Look at the stuff we got here. It's everywhere. Everywhere. Tony's here today. Oh, where's it? Always something missing, you know? Every time. Oh, what do we got here? Thorson, there's a good one. Fast. Ooh, you found a Snap-on. Wherever we could fill them.
Are you looking for this deep socket?
No, give me 10.
There's a whole set right here.
And then give the money to this guy.
There's a whole set right here.
Oh, yeah. He'll take the money.
What was the make on these, Mike?
I don't know. But it looks like 10 bucks or something close to it. What do you think these go to? For like eggs?
I have no idea.
Maybe milk bottles? That's probably exactly what it is, huh? What do you think? Like the milk bottles? Uncle Michael, you're old. What are these? Milk bottles?
Looks like what it was one time.
Huh. Comment below. Maybe the age has nothing to do with it. I just like picking on Uncle Michael because he deserves it.
3 for 5, 3 for 5.
Oh, she's gonna like that. Yeah.
$5. 3 for 5.
That is gonna be a keep for the little woman. I have a picture frame.
Like, here's that other little thing on top of this couch.
That's the a table with the 4 legs. Oh yeah, my one Alameda item. I don't know if I should. I can almost pull up, but should I pull up? This is a lot of money. 5. Here we are continuing on with a lot more. What's that? Probably pillows or something. A lot of crafting stuff in this unit. 10. The crafting stuff is endless in this. Here we have patterns. People save a lot of stuff in this world. Paint. A lot of little sewing stuff. If somebody comes today who likes sewing, it's gonna be their day. That's for sure. We might save the buttons. Buttons are kind of sellable, right? We'll save these buttons for a lot on the auction. That is 15. 15. That is a whole medium flat rate and they seem vintage. No. Not much car stuff today. But if you want to sew, I got you. If you want to take up sewing, I got you. Uncle Mike, you're on break? I would say at least 25, Tony.
And then a glue gun. Shop for 20, take it. That's what, 10 bucks?
3 or 5, yeah. That's a nice one though. Here. From here, all the way down there to Uncle Michael. It's crazy. What do we have in here? A frying pan. That looks like a good $15 pan. And another, at least maybe $5 pan there. And that'd be nice if the last box was jewelry. Someone has their bass too loud. They made sure to take Grandma's jewelry, sadly. I don't think so. Thank you. Sold a dresser. That's all right.
Huh?
No, a little tiny table right there. $1.
I got some furniture.
Do you sell the jewelry box? Sold the jewelry box? I don't care. Where's the idea? Just to get rid of this stuff and move on to the next, right? So we have just moved to free. We've tried all day long milking what we could out of this storage unit. There's only so much we could do. What are we gonna do? Rusted old dollar tools. Oh, no, that's ugly. We need to give that away for all this stuff. We can give it away. But this, somebody will buy.
Mama, you like anything over here?
Beep, 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 beep. Well, this is exciting. We picked up this unit just now. Won this. 3,100 bucks. I don't know if we can even see it because of the way the camera is. I've been on a roll this week. Nice. Nice. The aftermath of a large flea market load. You can only get rid of so much. It's the way the world's working these days. I'm not liking this system anymore. I like the buying, I like the selling, but it's a lot of work to recoup back a lot of the money. I'm devising a plan how we're gonna simplify things. All part of the process. Usually I've been one to rush into my plans. This plan that I've been working on this last year is not just a simple plan, it's a complete life change. And I'm trying to calculate it properly. For things like this, this is a big part of it. I come out here, I think we cracked 1,000 on this 2,000 plus expense storage. I'm in the upwards of 2,500. I'll be lucky to break even. I have a small box of good stuff, a sewing machine. I hope to get 1,000, which will get my money back almost. And that's it. Quick little trip to the dumps. See what I got left. This unit is pretty much a wash and a loss. All right, it's time to work. Probably have to throw it on the end there. I got it. This never came out today. Just throw it away.
You keep these?
Yeah, I was gonna put them inside of that. Ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates of all ages, we are here picking up these two storage units. First and foremost, this unit we bought the other day for $525. It was an awesome unit. One reason why, well, I'm gonna tell you real simple. I wanted everything in there, and I kept it. We're here to pick up the remaining goods. If you missed this video, please check it out. Here is the goods that I don't want, but you have to see the things that I did keep. Very exciting. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, this one. Ladies and gentlemen, I bought this unit right here. Very exciting to show you. $5. Reason I bought it is because I bought this one and I had to come back. So we're about to open this up and we are gonna see what is in this $5 storage unit. Are you ready? Here we go. We bought this right here for $5. Very simple. It has a trunk. I mean, come on. 1, 2, 3. I will buy any box for $10 a box, especially when there's not very much work. Here's the baker's rack. I'll tell you right now, this baker's rack is 20, 25 bucks, and I'm gonna get my money back and profit on this with this baker's rack. We are gonna pull this out. Definitely worth the money. That would actually be kind of cool as a plant stand in one of our, in like the backyard or something. Ooh, this is heavy. Come on, be some good stuff. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, yes. VHS. What do we have here? Mixed Nuts. Steve Martin. This might actually be good. Hanna-Barbera's The Greatest Adventure, Noah's Ark. We have Moses. That's probably a good one too. I like the style of those. We have Joshua and the Battle of Jericho. Grumpier Old Men. This is one of my favorite movies back then. Me and my sister used to watch this a lot as kids. Jumanji. This one was cool. Not my favorite Keanu Reeves movie. What's your guys' favorite Keanu Reeves movie? I'm gonna tell you what mine is after you guess. Batteries not included. Epic. Holiday in Concert. Okay, so far this was not the wisest $5 purchase, but we are ahead. We are up 30 bucks, I think, because there's a couple dollars. What is this? Well, that's got to be $5. So that goes to our Alameda load for $5. I think this is for paprika. No, I'm just kidding. I know what it's for. It's for garlic, maybe apple mincing. People mince apples. I'll end up setting that aside for Alameda. Very weird, different. What else do we have in here? Let's see. We have Disney. We have the Tigger movie. That's a good one. We have Pooh's Grand Adventure, and we have Mickey Once Upon a Time of Christmas. That's a good one too. And it's looking like that is all that's in here, folks, in that one box. Can we pull this off? Can we make this an exciting video? We have 3 more boxes to go through. This one looks suspect. Okay. Looks like photos. More photos. Come on, hidden jewelry box. Come on, hidden jewelry box. We've got photos. We can't show that. These are technically ephemera. This one's signed from Stan. We got a couple blankets and a weird little belt, so it's not like it's bad. We were here and I paid $5. I'm covering gas money so far for the day on this. It's not the wisest purchase, but it is a purchase. I bought a lot. Whoa, this looks heavy. Ooh. Is it? Come on. Nope, let's hold off. Let's bring this out here. Let's see what else we got. Uncle Mike, where'd you go? We got the Bible. We got another edition of the Bible. We got a couple Bibles, so these are cool. We'll give these to somebody. That's what we do. We give those away. Fletch Lives, that's a good one. All right, what else do we got here? Looks like we got ephemera. Oh, a PS2 game. All right, so it looks like literally a couple boxes of nothing. So still got a cool book here, Reader's Digest. This will become $3 at the flea market, and this blanket will be $3. That will pay for this storage. This right here will become an easy. Oh wow, that's pretty nice. Couple Bibles to give away, and this, I don't know if I'll give that away or if we will actually sell it. I might take that to Alameda because that is kind of cool. Very older looking. Last Supper. Very religious. So we got a couple Bibles. See, look, there's 2 Bibles to give away and a 3rd Bible to give away. And then a prayer, the Lord's Prayer. Father which art in heaven, hallowed by thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, or forgive us our debts and forgive our debtors, and lead us into temptation, but deliver us from evil, for thine is kingdom. So basically it's saying like be in peace and let go of all your problems and your worries is what I'm gathering. I don't know. Explain that more to me if you can. And we will see what is in. Oh, no. Come on, be something good. There's something in there. Be something. Oh, bummer. So, they wanted to go to Wyoming. And they gave away the Lodi Ministry again and again. All right. So, still a cool box. It's missing a foot. I'll be lucky to get $3 on that. And we have a trunk. What is in there? Found this trunk for $5. No, I would. Uncle Mike, would you tell me? Would you buy a unit like this for $5 at any time? Yeah, 3 sealed totes in the trunk. You want to open it and see what's in there? Come on, show the world. Ooh, no, maybe. Find one thing cool. Peter Pan, a lamp.
It's movies.
That's a cool thing. It's a pirate movie, and that's exactly what we do for a living. We are living. This is priceless.
Right
This
here.
is priceless.
I don't know if they're in there or not, but some DVDs, brand new.
Nice, sealed.
Sealed. Grandma's blanket she made.
Any video games or anything? We've got. Oh, look at that hamburger. You hungry? Another Peter. This is priceless. See, this is the universe is telling us something. Return to Neverland's telling us we need. Yeah, this is priceless. I needed this. I needed to hear this today. We paid $5 for a lesson in life. This is priceless on many levels. If you remember, I talk about the fairy tale mentality all the time, and why it is I do things is how I've manifested much that is in my life, down to the love of my life, and even more things than that. And often I forget my own plan. I get so consumed with the process to chase, and I forget I'm living a fairy tale mentality. What am I? I am Peter Pan. That's the little woman, that's our family, right? That's the way I look at it. Psychologically, chasing the dream. This is a reminder for $5 to return to Neverland, to have the fun, enjoy the hunt, and what would you say, Uncle Mike? He said to drag this down there. See, he's in the business mentality. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Storage auction pirate, that's what we do. We are like the storage archaeologists. We hunt treasure. We're not out here living a day-to-day paycheck. We're looking for that $1 million dream. We're trying to find a Tyrannoceratops horn. We're trying to find a Picasso painting. We're looking for the lost treasure of Atlantis. Missed it here, but we'll keep buying them. Peter Pan. I love y'all. Blessings.